So, here it is. Check natin. Okay.
Meow. Meow.
Mm.
Meow.
Mm. Not bad. Parang puto lang. We are making vanilla muffins. Woohoo! So, this will be our second batch kasi meron na tayong first batch na natapos. And here it is. Nilagyan ko siya ng condensed milk sa taas. See this one?
What is
So,
this milk?
the milk, the one that you like. This one, this milk.
Okay.
And now you can try.
But it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Let's wait. Da-da-da-dang. Buti na lang meron akong naka-stock na vanilla. That's why.
Banana.
So this recipe is coming from Brazil. Oh, how you know?
I just made.
So, itatry na ng ating taster. Andito siya. Always di ko excited pag si Liwami mag-try sa akong ginahimo. Kay kuan manggod kayo ni ka ng tawag mapili manggod siya pagdating sa mga bread. So, let's see. But it's not bread. It's muffin. But it's considered a bread. Buot-buot. Hello everyone. So, here I am. O, di ba magulo? Magulo pa sa utak ko. So, by the way, let's try first. Ako muna ang titikim. Wow, parang puto lang ah. See this one? So, here it is. Check natin. Okay.
Meow. Meow.
Mm.
Meow.
Nilagyan ko kasi
Meow.
ng milk powder.
Meow.
Mm. Not bad. Parang puto lang. Mm.
Hmm?
Di ba may try? Mm. Mm. Hindi talaga niya type. Pero, para siyang puto. It's so good. Bala ka dyan. Ako may pangkape na ako. Mas gusto niya yung bread na may ano. Hotdog na may ano. See? Ay, ang ganda niya. Mm. Mm.
No, put more the milk is messy.
I put the milk. The one there. Milk
Content
powder.
milk. The content milk.
Mm. On top,
Need put more.
gusto niya more condensed milk sa taas. Gusto niya yung madiabetes siya.
Need put more the content milk.
Okay, I put more. So, ito yung gusto niya. Mm. Okay na. Okay na daw. Okay. Second batch. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.